Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a look at one of the best LiME products available on the market, the LiME Speed Shape Custom Paint Display Hood. If you're in the automotive paint or vinyl wrap industry, or just someone who appreciates high-quality visual displays, this miniature display hood is about to become your new favorite tool. Let's start by diving into what this product is. It's essentially a 10-inch by 10-inch scale model of an automotive hood, made from high-quality ABS plastic. This might sound simple at first, but it's a game-changer for automotive professionals, paint shops, wrap artists, and even content creators in the auto detailing scene. Its compact size and realistic shape make the perfect canvas for showcasing colors, wraps, effects, and finishes, all in a professional, presentable format. One of the key strengths of the LiME display hood is the material it's made of. ABS plastic is not only durable and lightweight, but it also provides a perfectly smooth surface that's ready for customization. Whether you're using automotive paints, candy coats, pearls, flakes, or vinyl wraps, this model hood allows your work to shine in a controlled and reproducible way. And since it's a static display piece, you can experiment freely without the pressure of painting or wrapping a full-size panel. Professionals will love the ready-to-paint surface. It comes prepped so you don't have to worry about sanding or priming. You can go straight into laying down your base coats or adhesive wrap films. It's ideal for testing how certain pigments react to lighting, for building out a color library, or for giving customers a realistic preview of what a full paint job or wrap might look like. Another underrated benefit is how this product enhances your presentation. Whether you're working a trade show, showing clients options at your shop, or posting reels online, this hood adds an extra layer of polish. It communicates to your audience that you take your craft seriously. It's not just a swatch. It's a mini hood, a real, contoured surface that interacts with lighting just like a real car would. This is particularly useful for wrap shops and paint specialists who want to build an impressive in-store or online portfolio. Imagine having a wall or shelf full of these miniature hoods, each painted or wrapped with different finishes. That's a vibrant, professional showcase that sells itself. Customers can see, touch, and feel the difference between gloss, satin, matte, or metallic, in real-world conditions. As for its build, the 0.19 kilogram weight makes it sturdy enough to sit flat and stable, but light enough to hang on a wall or carry in a display case. There's no assembly required, so you can use it straight out of the box. Because it's a product from a small business, there's also a layer of craftsmanship and quality control that's evident from the moment you unbox it. It's clear that this isn't some generic plastic mold. It's tailored specifically for artists, technicians, and industry pros who care about how their work is seen and experienced. To sum it up, the LiME Speed Shape Custom Paint Display Hood is more than just a piece of plastic. It's a visual storytelling tool. It turns your paint or wrap samples into real-life simulations, gives you creative control, and lets you present your work at a professional level. Whether you're running a detailing business, doing custom wraps, or experimenting with new paint ideas, this display hood will become a trusted part of your toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're passionate about automotive creativity and presentation, this is a product you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product deep dives just like this. See you next time.